everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do my romance reveal book box. I get this 6 book box each month. It has 6 romance books signed and some swag. It is $75 with the shipping and all that every month. There is a 2, 4, and 6 book box. There's a new sticker, which I'm just gonna, and it says single taken, mentally dating a fictional character. That's the little sticker. I see some of so we have a April Baker chapstick. We have a lollipop. We have the candle, Day at the Sea, and it smells really good. Then we have a sticker, used sticker, a making new friends, one book at a time sticker. To do a read romance, smash the, challenge the world, change the world. So you can't really see that. But it's a little magnet, super cute. I put it on my book cart. Then we have her Dom's lesson, a little postcard. I think that might be all the swag I see. So let's just get. Oh no, there's a pen. It was in one of my books. Oh wow, this is a really nice pen. Is Carrie Aaron's pen? Like it's a rose gold and heavy, really nice pen. And let's get to the books. The first one I see is Vampire Girl by Kavoa or Karoprova Kincaid. I am so sorry. I butchered that. I'm sorry. This looks like a paranormal book. It's signed. Interesting. Oh wow, this is a big book. Then we have Touch Me Not, a man-horse series novel by April Baker, and it is signed. Is this like the first one? I don't know, but the writing's really big. So it's probably not that. Oh, it's over 500 pages. Yeah, it's like 550. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh wow, this one's pretty big too. And it's Starlit by Cora Kinborn. I'm so sorry. I'm having a hard time pronouncing these books today. And it's signed. And it looks like a Hollywood book because there's a movie thing. This one looks big too. This one's just over 400 pages. And I really like when they have books like this. Little headlight or things. Oh, and then we got Prince by Cambria Herbert. This is book 2 in her fairy tale book, House of Misfits. The first one is Ivy White. This is male, and that's pretty much all I know. And this one's big too. This one's just 520. Well, that's the author's note. So it's 515 pages. I don't really know what this is because it doesn't have a blurb, but I am excited to add this to my reading. Then I have Like You Love Me by Adrienne Locke. This is a Mount Lake book, and it's signed. Probably a small town romance, if I had to guess. And lastly, this book is light compared to all the other ones. We have Twisted Circles by Claire Contreras. This is a romantic suspense novel. And it's signed. And they also have the little thing, which I like. I've not read a Claire Contreras book, but I have quite a few. So, let's see. This is my Romance Reveal book box for the month. I was going to say for the month of April, but it's still March when I get this. So yeah, I'm super excited to read all of these books. There's some heavy books this month, which is good. And I'm excited. I don't know what any of these books are. And yeah, super excited. I'll leave the links down below. I'll leave the link to the Romance Reveal and the link for my referral page if you're interested. You don't have to use it. If you're just guys are interested, I've been using this book box from February 2017, and I love it. And yeah, I'll see everyone later.